Module for washing machines. Indesit and ariston. O and. Power supply 12 volts and 5 volts. It includes fume controller Viper 12A. Resistors R30, R32, R46, R47, R56, R65. Varistors RV6, RV7. Diodes D14, D19. Capacitor C16C. Choke L1. Transformer T1. Zener VD1, VD4. Transistor Q1, Q4. Stabilizer TS2431ILT. 2837 submodule output. 5162 processor pin. Thermal sensor. 42 submodule pin. CPU pin 59. A heating element. Relay K. 7 and 10 output of the 7-channel KU. 12 submodule pin. 54 processor pin. Empty tank pressure switch. Resistors R8, R16. Diode D11. 22 submodule pin. 24 processor pin. Fill level. Resistors R6, R14. Diode D9. 20 submodule pin. 23 processor pin. Overflow level. Resistors R7, R15. Diode D10. 19 submodule pin. 22 processor pin. Valve. Control terminal of the triac Q5. Resistor R48. 3 and 14 output of the 7-channel KU2. 13 submodule pin. 36 processor pin. Control terminal of the triac Q6. Resistor R53. 5 and 12 output of the 7-channel KU2. 15 submodule pin. 40 pin CPU. Water pump. Relay K. 5 and 12 output of the 7-channel KU1. 10 submodule pin. Pump robotic control. This circuit is duplicated with the pressure switch overflow level. Relay K. Resistors R7, R15. Diode D10. 19 submodule pin. 22 processor pin. Sunroof docking device. Control terminal of the triac Q2. Resistor R13. 6 and 11 output of the 7-channel KU1. 9 submodule pin. 42 pin processor. Triac robotic control Q2. Terminal A2 of the triac Q2. Resistor R9. Diodes D6, D20. 21 submodule pin. 53 processor pin. Tacho generator. Transistor Q. 23 submodule pin. 37 processor pin. Engine. Control output of the triac Q3. Resistor R23. 6 and 11 output of the 7-channel KU2. 18 submodule pin. 30 processor pin. Reverse relay. Relay K. 3 and 14 output of the 7-channel KU1. 8 submodule pin. 29 processor pin. Relay K. 1 and 16 output of the 7-channel KU1. 6 submodule pin. 28 processor pin. This circuit generates an error F1. Output A2 of the triac Q3. Resistors R10, R18. Diode D12. 24 submodule pin. 52 pin processor. Relay KK. Resistors R11, R20. Diode D13. 26 submodule pin. 13 processor pin. I say goodbye to you, not for long. Goodbye.